हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम एमएससी जूलॉजी 4th सेमेस्टर का सब्जेक्ट बायोकेमिस्ट्री का टॉपिक मोनोसेकेराइड्स का स्टडी करेंगे, जिसका इंट्रोडक्शन है। मोनोसेकेराइड्स आर द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म फ्रॉम कार्बोहाइड्रेट कॉमनली रिफर्ड टू एज सिंपल शुगर्स। They are fundamental building block of more complex carbohydrates like disaccharides and polysaccharides and play a crucial role in biological processes such as energy production, cellular communication, and molecular signaling. This document explores the structure, nomenclature, classification, and the formations of monosaccharide with a focus on glucose, its linear and ring form, and the Haworth perspective. Definitions. A monosaccharide is a single sugar molecule that cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler carbohydrates. This molecule consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a general formula where range from 3 to 7. Monosaccharides are sweet, water soluble, and crystalline in nature. Glucose, fructose, and galactose are commonly example. General structure of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are composed of a carbon skeleton containing hydroxyl groups minus OH attached to most carbon atom and a carbonyl group C double bond O, either at the terminal carbon aldehyde group or within the chain ketone group. Based on this, they are classified as their aldose aldehyde group or ketose ketone group. Key feature of the general structure: aldose, ketose, and aldose have an aldehyde group at the first carbon. Ketose have a ketone group typically at the second carbon. Chirality. Monosaccharides often have asymmetric carbon atoms leading to stereoisomerism. For example, glucose is an aldose while fructose is a ketose. Nomenclature and monosaccharides. The naming of monosaccharides is based on the following criteria. First, number of carbon atoms. Triose 3 carbons. Example, glysaccharaldehyde. Tetrose 4 carbon. Example, erythrose. Pentose 5 carbon. Example, ribose. Hexose 6 carbons. Example, glucose. Heptose 7 carbon. Example, pseudoheptulose. Functional group. Aldose contain an aldehyde group. Example, glucose. Ketose contain a ketone group. Example, fructose. Stereochemistry. Designated as D or L based on the configuration around the new ultimate carbon, second to last carbon relative to glysaccharaldehyde. For instance, D-glucose indicates the hydroxyl group on their new ultimate carbon is on the right in Fisher's projections. Classifications of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are classified based on first number of carbon atom as described above. Second, functional group: aldose or ketose. Optically activity: ability to rotate plane polarized light. D monosaccharides rotate light to the right, dextrorotatory. L monosaccharides rotate light to the left, levorotatory. Formations of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides can be formed through natural processes such as First, photosynthesis. Plants produce glucose from carbon dioxide and water using sunlight. Second, hydrolysis. Polysaccharides, example starch, cellulose, are broken down into the monosaccharides by enzyme or acids. Gluconeogenesis. In animal, glucose is synthesized from non-carbohydrate precursors like lactate, amino acids or glycerols. Formation of glucose. Glucose is an essential monosaccharide and serve as a primary energy source of cells. It can be derived from first photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide react with water in plant under the influence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce glucose and oxygen. Second, hydrolysis of starch or glucogen. Starch in plant and glucogen in animal are hydrolyzed by enzyme to release glucose molecule. Linear structure of glucose. In its linear form, glucose is an aldohexose consisting of 6 carbon atoms arranged in straight chain. The carbonyl group C double bond O at the first carbon form and aldehyde group, while the other carbon have hydroxyl group. The linear structure is commonly depicted using the Fisher's projections. Ring structure of glucose. In aqueous solution, glucose predominantly exists in a cyclic or ring form due to an intramolecular reactions between the carbonyl group C double bond O and a hydroxyl group minus OH. This reaction form a hemiacetyl for aldose or hemiketal for ketose structure. Glucose form a 6-membered pyranose ring. Steps in cyclizations. First, hydroxyl group on the 5th carbon react with the aldehyde group on the first carbon. A new covalent bond form creating a 6-membered ring. Third, two anomers alpha and beta are produced due to different orientations of the hydroxyl group on the first carbon, anomeric carbon. First, alpha D glucose. The hydroxyl group on the anomeric carbon is below the plane of the ring. Beta D glucose. The hydroxyl group on the anomeric carbon is above the plane of the ring. Haworth projection of glucose. The Haworth projection is the 3-dimensional representations of the cyclic structure of glucose. It shows the pyranose ring as a planar structure with substituents above or below the plane. Representations. The oxygen atom is at the top right corner of the hexagonal ring. Carbon atoms are numbered clockwise starting from the anomeric carbon. Hydroxyl group and other substituent are placed either above or below the plane. For a alpha D glucose, the anomeric hydroxyl group is below the plane. Second, other hydroxyl group are arranged as a per stereochemistry of glucose. Biological importance of monosaccharides. Energy source. Glucose is a primary source of energy in cellular respiration. Second, building blocks. Monosaccharides form disaccharides, example sucrose, and polysaccharides, example starch and cellulose. Metabolic pathway. Participate in glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, and the pentose phosphate pathway. Fourth, structural components. Ribose and deoxyribose are part of RNA and DNA. Fifth, cell signaling. Glycoprotein and glycolipids on cell members aid in communication and recognition. Conclusions. Monosaccharides, the simplest carbohydrates, play a pivotal role in life processes. Their structural diversity, including linear and cyclic form, contribute to their biological functions. Glucose, the most studied monosaccharides, exemplifies their importance as energy source and precursors for biosynthetic pathway. Understanding the chemistry and biology of monosaccharides is fundamental for advancing knowledge in biochemistry and related fields. References: